We believe there's a real relevance transformation movement which is beyond digital transformation, where companies will be focused on trying to win at every interaction. And what's exciting here is that AI combined with search are the true enablers of that transformation. Coveo as a company is committing millions of dollars of investments, and we really have the intent and the ambition to continue to be a leader in that space. And I really believe that speaks volume to the innovation and the leadership of our team and the power of our roadmap and the quality of our vision, as well as the value we bring to our customers. For us, being recognized as a leader in Insight Engines by Gartner is obviously a very important event, and it's a tribute to the innovation and the collaboration with our customers. And we're extremely thankful, and this is extremely encouraging for the future.